Hello student, we are going to discuss some examples on duality. So first example, is construct the dual of following problem. Construct the dual of following problem. So first is maximum z is equal to x1 minus 2x2 plus 3x3 subject to minus 2x1 minus x2 plus 3x3 equal to 2, and next is 2x1 plus 3x2 plus 4x3 equal to 1, and x1 x2 x3 are greater or equal 0. So how to writing this dual is, so firstly constants are objective function is maximized type, constants are equal to type. So write equal to constants are greater than equal to and equal to type. So maximum z is equal to, firstly we write the constants in inequality form, x1 minus 2x2 plus 3x3 subject to this constant is equal to, which implies that this is less than or equal to 2 and greater than or equal to 2. Okay, so minus 2x1 minus x2 plus 3x3 is less equal to, and this constant is also greater or equal to. Okay, so first constant. And for second is, 2x1 plus 3x2 plus 4x3 is less equal 1, and 2x1 plus 3x2 plus 4x3 are greater equal 1. Okay, and x1 x2 x3 are greater equal 0. Okay, so here objective function is maximized type, all constants are not less than or equal to. So equation constant second and constant 4 are greater equal type, so multiply this constant by minus 1. Okay, then we get a less equal type. So therefore canonical form of LPB is after multiplying minus 1 to constant, we get x1 minus 2x2 plus 3x3 subject to minus 2x1 minus x2 plus 3x3 are less equal to. For second constant, 2x1 plus x2 minus 3x3 are less equal minus 2, after multiplying this constant, after multiplying by minus 1. Okay, then third constant write as it is, 2x1 plus 3x2 plus 4x3 is less equal 1, and then fourth constant is 2x1 plus 3x2 minus 2x1 minus 3x2, by here multiply by minus 1 to convert less equal. So minus 2x1 minus 3x3 minus 4x3 are less equal minus 1, and x1 x2 x3 are greater equal 0. So this is a canonical form. Okay, this is our primary problem. So then its dual is dual of this LPP is, here minimized type, in dual is maximized type. So RHS is a objective function, 2w1 minus 2w2 plus w3 minus w4 subject to minus 2w1 plus 2w2 plus 2w3 minus 2w4, and which is greater than or equal to, all constants are less equal, so greater than equal to coefficient of x1 is 1. Okay, then second is minus w1 plus w2 plus 3w3 minus 3w4 are greater or equal, coefficient of x2 is in object function is minus 2. Okay, then third is 3w1 minus 3w2 plus 4w3 minus 4w4 are greater or equal 3. Okay, and w1, w2, w3 and w4 are greater or equal 0. Okay, so here clearly we see that here in first two w1 and w2, 2 is common, so remaining only w1 minus w2. In all three conditions, w1, w2, here all are coefficient of w1 and w2 is common coefficient. Okay, coefficient of w1 to w2 is same coefficient, so take our common, then remaining is put their value, remaining, suppose 2 is common, remaining only w1 minus w2. Okay, put w1 minus w2 equal to w dash. Okay, so put here w1 minus w2 equal to w dash. Similarly here three all three constraints, coefficient of w3 and w4 are same. Okay, only their sign is changes, so this coefficient take common, so and put w3 minus w4 is equal to w double dash. Okay, and therefore above LPP is therefore above LPP is dual of above LPP is minimum z is equal to here 2w dash then w3 plus minus w4 is equal to w dash, 2w dash plus w dash, w double dash, subject to remaining only, suppose here minus 2 is common, then w1 minus w2 minus 2w dash plus 2w double dash plus 2w double dash is less equal, what is value here, sorry, which is greater equal, this is greater equal 1. Okay, for second constraint minus sign is common, minus w dash plus 3w double dash minus w dash plus 3w double dash, which is greater than or equal to minus 2. Okay, and third constraint is 3w dash plus 4w double dash, 3w dash plus 4w double dash, and which is greater than or equal to 3. Okay, where and for definition of unrestricted, here definition of unrestricted coefficient is, what is definition of unrestricted, here w dash is a difference of two non-negative, w dash is a difference of two non-negative variable. So definition of unrestricted variable is, a variable may be unrestricted in the sign, that is they have positive, negative or zero value. Okay, so their value is not exactly greater or equal 0, so there what is, so when this is unrestricted, when x1 is unrestricted, then putting their value is x1 is equal to x1 dash minus x1 double dash, that is put their value is a difference of two non-negative variable. So here w dash is a difference of two non-negative variable, because x1 here w1 and w1, w2, w3, w4 are all non-negative. So w dash is a difference of two non-negative variable, and w double dash is also difference of two non-negative variable. So therefore w dash and w double dash is a unrestricted variable. Okay, so for this, by using this definition, x3 is unrestricted, then they put their values x3 dash minus x3 double dash, where x3 dash and x3 double dash are greater or equal 0. So here w dash is equal to w1 minus w2, w dash is equal to w1 minus w2, and w1 and w2 are greater or equal 0, that is non-negative. So w dash is a difference of two non-negative variable, and therefore w dash and w double dash are unrestricted. Okay, unrestricted. This is a example of unrestricted variable. Okay, so and this is our dual of above given triangle problem. Okay, similar way, next example. Maximum z is equal to 3x1 plus x2 plus 2x3 minus x4 subject to 2x1 minus x2 plus 3x3 plus x4 equal to 1. Then second constant is x1 plus x2 minus x3 plus x4 equal to 3, and here only condition given that x1 and x2 are greater or equal 0, and x3 and x4 are unrestricted. Okay, so x3 and x4 are given that unrestricted. So put their value is difference of two non-negative variable. Okay, x3 is equal to x3 dash minus x3 double dash, and x4 is equal to x4 dash minus x4 double dash. Put their value, but before that, objective function is maximized type, and constants are not less equal type. So which is equal to type, so write this in equal to type and greater equal to type. Firstly, maximum z is equal to 3x1 plus x2 plus 2x3 minus x4 subject to this constant is 2x1 minus x2 plus 3x3 plus x4 which is less equal 1, then this constant is also greater equal for 1, and last is x1 plus x2 minus x3 plus x4 is less equal 3, and x1 plus x2 minus x3 plus x4 are greater equal 3, where x1 and x2 are greater equal 0, and x3 and x4 are unrestricted. Okay, so here firstly write all constants in less equal type. So this constant is greater equal type, this constant is greater equal type, so multiply this constant by -1, and we get write this maximum z is equal to 3x1 plus x2 plus 2x3 minus x4 subject to 2x1 minus x2 plus 3x3 plus x4 is less equal 1. For second constant, after multiplying -1, we get minus 2x1 plus x2 minus 3x3 minus x4 is less equal -1. Then here then lastly here third constant is x1 plus x2 minus x3, x1 plus x2 minus x3 plus x4 are less equal 3 is this as it is, and fourth constant by after multiplying minus 1 we get minus x1 minus x2 minus plus x3 minus plus minus x4 which is less equal minus 3, and x1 and x2 are greater equal 0 and x3 and x4 are unrestricted. Okay, so in this LPP put the x3 and x4 are unrestricted, so put their value is x3 is equal to x3 dash minus x3 double dash, and x4 is equal to x4 dash minus x4 double dash, where x3 dash x3 double dash x4 dash and x4 double dash are greater equal 0. That is difference of two non-negative variable in above LPP. Put their value in above LPP. So put replace x3 by x3 dash minus x3 double dash and x4 by x4 dash minus x4 double dash in above LPP. So we get therefore maximum z is equal to what is maximum z is equal to 3x1 plus x2 plus 2 into x3 dash minus x3 double dash. Putting their value x3 is equal to x3 dash minus x3 dash, we get x3 dash 2x3 dash minus 2x3 double dash minus x4 dash minus plus x4 double dash. Okay, then subject to here first constant is 2x1 minus x2 plus 3x3 dash minus 3x3 double dash plus x4 dash minus x4 double dash which is less equal 1. For second is minus 2x1 plus x2 minus 3x3 dash plus 3x3 double dash. After putting x3 dash minus x3 double dash in by x3 dash x3, okay, minus x4 dash plus x4 double dash is less equal minus 1. Then x1 plus x2 minus x3 dash plus x3 double dash, because minus plus x4 dash minus x4 double dash is less equal 3, and last constant is minus x1 minus x2 plus x3 dash minus x3 double dash minus x4 dash plus x4 double dash which is less equal minus 3, where x1 x2 x3 dash x3 double dash x4 dash and x4 double dash are non-negative. Okay, and so then write its dual. Okay, so dual of given LPP is dual of above LPP is number of constants are 4, so variable is only 4. Okay, number of constants is 4, variable is also 4. Then their maximize type convert is minimize z is equal to w1 minus w2. Here w1 multiply this constant by w1, multiply this constant by w2, multiply this constant by w3, and multiply this constant by w4. So w1 minus w2 plus 3w3 minus 3w4 subject to write 2w1 minus 2w2, because they are multiplied by w1, they are multiplied by w2, they are multiplied by w3, and they are multiplied by w4. So replace only x1 by w1 for first constant. So here 2w1 minus 2w2 plus w3 minus w4 and in minimized type all constants are less equal, so in minimized type all constants are greater equal, and which is greater to coefficient of x1 is 3. Okay, similarly second, minus w1 plus w2 plus w3 minus w4 are greater equal 1. Then third is 3w1 minus 3w2 3w1 minus 3w2 minus w3 plus w4 are greater equal 2. Then next is minus 3w1 plus 3w2 plus w1 minus w4 w3 minus w4 is greater equal minus 2. Then for next is for x4 dash w1 minus w2 plus w3 minus w4 are greater equal minus 1. And last is for h4 double dash minus w1 plus w2 minus w3 plus w4 are greater equal 1, and all are w1 w2 w3 and w4 are greater equal 0. This is a dual of above problem, but here w1 w2 coefficient of w1 and w2 is same. Okay, similarly all constant the coefficient of w1 and w2 same, so take a common this coefficient and remaining only w1 minus w2. Okay, so put their value, put w1 minus w2 is equal to w dash and w3 minus w4 dash, w4 is equal to w double dash. Okay, so after multiplying putting w dash is minimum z is equal to w dash plus 3w double dash subject to 2w dash plus w double dash is greater equal 3 for first constraint. For second constraint, minus w dash plus w double dash minus w dash plus w double dash, here minus w dash plus w double dash is greater equal 1. And for third constraint is 3w dash minus w double dash, 3w dash minus w double dash is greater equal 2. Then fourth constraint is minus 3w dash plus w double dash is greater equal minus 2. Then fifth constraint is w dash minus w double dash is greater equal minus 1, and here minus w dash minus w double dash are greater plus w dash are greater equal 1. Okay, and w1 and w dash and w double dash are a difference of two non-negative variable, so w dash and w double dash are unrestricted. Okay, so here one of the condition here, if constraint these two constraint clearly we see that here if we multiplying by this constraint to minus 1, if we multiplying this constraint by minus 1, then this constraint is for fourth constraint if we multiplying minus 1, then this constraint is 3w dash minus w dash is less equal to 2. Okay, and in this third constraint and fourth constraint clearly we say that third constraint and fourth constraint, so LHS is same, only their sign is changes. This is greater equal to and this is less equal to, and therefore 3w dash minus w dash is greater equal to and 3w dash minus w dash is less equal to. This means that 3w dash minus w dash equal to 2. Okay, And so if we multiply this constant is also by -1, also by -1 for this constant or this constant, any one of these. Okay, multiply any one of these by -1 for this constant this. Okay, then these two constants are same, equal to type. So here directly write here multiply 1 2 3 fourth constraint fourth and fifth constraint. Okay, fourth and fifth constraint by -1, and we get I am here directly write here multiply by minus w dash plus w double dash r less equal 1, okay. So from these two constraints, this constraint and this constraint and this constraint, this one constraint and this constraint. So directly I am write here minimum z is equal to w dash plus 3w dash, this is as it is, subject to first and second constraint is as it is, 2w dash plus w double dash is greater equal 3, then minus w dash plus w double dash is greater equal 1, but third constraint is equal to type. Third constraint is 3w dash minus w dash w double dash equal to 2, and last one is constraint is minus w dash plus w double dash is equal to 1, where w dash and w double dash are unrestricted. This is our dual of given LPP. This is our dual of given LPP. Okay, so in this way find the construct any examples on our and take a solution of find their dual. Okay, so next one is in next lecture we see that the solution, how to find the solution of dual problem by simplex method. Okay.